Situation 10. How to check in for walk-in guests. Good afternoon. Welcome to the Happy Kite Hotel. How may I help you?
I'd like a room for me from now until Sunday, please.
Did you have a booking here, sir?
No, I haven't.
May I have your full name, please?
Cameron Harmon.
Thank you. Just a moment, please. I need to check the availability. Oh, that's fine. We have two types of rooms available for you. The deluxe room is $200 per night, and the suite room is $300 per night, including breakfast. Which one would you like, Mr. Harmon?
The deluxe one will be fine for me.
How will you be paying, please?
I will pay by credit card.
May I borrow your credit card for a minute to verify your payment method, Mr. Harmon?
Here it is.
Thank you. I have verified your payment method. Here is your credit card.
Okay, thanks.
May I borrow your passport to verify your hotel registration, please?
Okay, this is my passport.
Thank you. Please wait a minute. I need to complete your registration card.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you for waiting. Mr. Cameron, this is your passport, and here is your registration card. Please check it, and if all the information is correct, please sign it.
Okay.
Thank you. Please wait a moment. I need to inform housekeeping about your arrival.
Okay, that's fine. The receptionist connects with housekeeping.
Good afternoon. This is Susan from the front desk. I am going to send a new guest to room 302. Is that okay, please?
It is okay, you can do that.
Yes, thank you. Goodbye.
The receptionist continues to serve the guest.
Thank you for waiting. Mr. Cameron, your room number is 302. Here are your room key and your breakfast voucher. Our hotel serves breakfast from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. at the Happy Kite restaurant on the first floor. When you have breakfast, please give this voucher to the cashier. Please remember to leave your room key at the reception desk when you go out for hotel security.
I see, thank you.
By the way, our hotel provides other services, including car rental, tour packages, function rooms, secretarial services, and translation services. We also have billiards, a gym, playgrounds, etc. Here is our hotel brochure. If you need anything, please press number 5. That is the reception number. We are always at your service.
Thank you.
How may I help you more before you go to your room, sir?
I think that's enough for now, thank you.
Mr. Cameron, this is Peter, the hotel bellboy. He will help you with the luggage and show you to your room. Have a pleasant stay. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.